This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off the transparency effects in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable the transparency effects in Windows 11, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go down to my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Personalization. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Colors and click on Colors. And under Colors, right here, Transparency Effect, it says Windows and Surfaces appear translucent. By default, it's probably toggled on, as you see mine is, but you could toggle it off or toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable the transparency effects in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.